Hi guys, it's Bethany. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. I have an unboxing for you. This is from Diamond Dotz at Home. It is called A Big Wave off Kanagawa. It is by Hokusai. This is the box that it came in. On the side here it shows the diamond area. I do believe it is a partial. It has 14 colors. On the side of the box it has a warning, not suitable for children under 3. It says, image displayed is a true representation of the finished product. It is safe to use. This product is fully compliant to Europe and USA regulations. The quality assurance, only first quality materials are used, and unique print technology. On the back, we have quick, easy, and fun to do. Just use the Diamond Dotz at Home stylus to pick up a dot and place it onto the matching square on the sticky print. Then it shows you the kit contents and how to diamond paint. The design size for this is 60 by 41 centimeters or 23.6 inches by 16.1 inches. And the fabric size is 68 by 49 centimeters or 26.8 inches by 19.3 inches. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it is taped. Darn it, maybe this side. Nope, they're both taped. Okay. I should have prepared a little bit. Better for this, but that's okay. Come on. Alright guys, that's what's in the box. We have the drills and toolkit. The bag of the drills shows the name of the piece. So if you want to store your drills separately, wow, I keep hitting that on the table, sorry. If you want to store your drills separately, that's cool. This is the canvas. It comes in a plastic protective sleeve. It has their logo and their branding. Add some sparkle to your world. Open up this canvas and check it out. Oh yeah. Woohoo. This is a nice smaller size canvas. I've been doing a lot of bigger ones lately. So I might start this one just to have a smaller one going. It comes with these instructions on how to diamond paint and how to do this. And it comes in all sorts of languages. It's pretty detailed and thorough. And on the back, more languages. This is a poured glue canvas. I'm going to roll it backwards to help it lay flat faster. And then we will take a look at what's inside here. Oh yeah, that's a cool one. It's a cool one, guys. Alright, we have all kinds of goodies in here. We have our diamonds, we have a toolkit, and this one comes with a decorative diamond facet. This is a blue one. That's the back. You can see what it says a little bit better, but it says Diamond Dotz at Home, 13 facet. It's pretty cool. You could use that as a cover minder. Gosh, that looks cool on those waves. You could use that as a cover minder, even though it doesn't have a magnet. It's pretty heavy, so you could easily use that on as a cover minder. Comes in this cute bag. I like that. The toolkit comes with this fancy pin, a tray, wax, branded, and some extra little baggies. Very nice. So we'll take a look at the drills in a little bit, but let's look at this canvas first. So it is scalloped and serged. That helps protect fraying. On the bottom of the right hand side, you have the color codes and charts. There are 14 colors in this kit. Ooh. You know what? Man, that's exactly the number of extra containers I had in the Craftmates Lockable that I kitted up for the Hogwarts crest that I'm going to do. It's tempting for me to take those black drills out and find a new place for them, because this would fit perfectly. And then I could take this with me on my trip too. Ooh. All right, and I'll have to think about that. Okay, so in the upper right hand corner, we have Diamond Dotz at Home logo. I wanted to do that, but I didn't want to bump the camera and see what happens. On the bottom of the canvas, we have the name of the piece, design size, and fabric size. Here in the upper left hand side is another chart. The drill field is really clear. Yep. Okay, use this to weigh down that side a little bit. Okay. And if you let this just sit out for a while, it will lay flat. It's pretty flat already. It's just that that side is kind of curling up a bit. This is a partial canvas, although most of it is diamond painted, just the very top of the sky, and then over there is not. This is going to be really pretty. This is going to be really pretty when it's done, because I can already tell. I know Diamond Dotz is really good at having sparkly gems, and so that's going to be really pretty on this piece. Absolutely. All right, let's take a look at these diamonds. Now, Diamond Dotz has a different system of numbering theirs. You can find online conversion charts. If you go to I was just looking at the website not the Diamond Dotz at Home website. That's separate from the Diamond Dotz website. I don't know why, but anyways, because they're different, I guess. But anyways, on the diamonddots.com website, they have a conversion chart. So if you're interested in seeing what DMC colors correspond with the Diamond Dotz numbering system, you can go look that up, and it's very handy. I actually downloaded it to the conversion chart to my phone yesterday, because I thought, you never know when that's going to come in handy. So their numbering system is a little different. They also organize them in order, in numerical order according to the chart, which is nice. So in this kit, we have Diamond Dotz number 8130, 8440, 8416, 8397, 8441, 8443, 8153, 8442, 8446, 8298, 8157, there's 2 of those, 8151, 8412, there's 2 of those, and 5001, there's 2 of those. That is an Aurora Borealis drill, so it has a special coating over the top of the drill to make it extra shiny. 2 bags of them, guys. Let's take a look and see where that goes. So that is A14, which according to the chart, is a little plus sign. So, oh yeah. Okay, so you have a strip going through here, up here, 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 here. You have some up here, 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 pretty much the flow of the wave. You can see them kind of sprinkled out through here, goes up here, sprinkled out through here, sprinkled out through here, up and over. And then at the very top, well, not here, sorry, but here also. So pretty. All right, well, I think I'll be kitting this one up pretty soon because like I said, this is a nice smaller size project and it'll be nice to work on a round kit because the other kits I'm working on right now are squares. I like to switch it up. So yeah, keep an eye out for the kitting up video and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.